This is a 2016 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited LOW. The LOW model was produced by Harley Davidson because not everybody is 6 foot tall. So if you're a little shorter, you know, 5'7", 5'8", and have a hard time reaching the ground on a regular Ultra Limited, can't flat foot it, well, the LOW model is the bike for you. It's just about 2 inches lower than a standard Ultra Limited. The color of this 2016 Ultra Limited is black quartz, as opposed to the solid vivid black. This is a metallic black. There's a lot of gold in it, a lot of silver in it. Nice pinstriping, just something a little bit different than your standard black Harley. LED lights in the front, LED light driving lights, LED fender tip light. An aftermarket windshield has been added. It's a little shorter than the standard Harley windshield, but it has a flare on it. Get the wind up and over you and out of your face. It has the 6.5-inch boom stereo system that has AM, FM, weather band, navigation. You can Bluetooth your music into it, or through the compartment right here you can put your phone or iPod in there, plug it in, and it integrates into the system, or you can Bluetooth it in. Control it with the hand controls or the touch screen. This Limited LOW also comes equipped with CB, which comes in handy if you're in a club or a group and you need to communicate. Nice 6-gallon tank. Nice big comfortable seat for passenger and the rider. 2 keys, 2 fobs. It does have ABS brakes. It does have the liquid cooling into the heads. Nice chrome Harley Davidson adjustable long arm highway pegs, so you can find just the right spot for your feet for that long haul. Being a 16 model, it is equipped with a 103 cubic inch high output twin cam. Has plenty of power, plenty of torque. Get you and your passenger down the highway, over the hills. Plenty of power to get out and pass. This bike is in excellent condition. It has only 5,077 original miles on the odometer. So this bike is not even broke in yet. It's just an absolutely great color. This black quartz metallic. There's a nice Harley Davidson chrome luggage rack. The dual antennas, one for the radio, one for the CB. LED lights on the tour pack. It does have the stock exhaust, LED fender tip light, nice big tour pack, hold a lot of gear. Has a 12-volt power point to charge your devices. Here's some of the service records. 2 complete headsets to plug in, and a nice little tour pack lid organizer made by Harley Davidson. Nice custom Harley Davidson wheels, front and rear. market for a new touring bike, take a really good look at this 2016 Ultra Limited LOW. It is designed by Harley for folks that are set just a little bit closer to the ground so you can flat foot the bike. Bike is in excellent condition, low mileage with only 5,077 original miles on the odometer. This bike is priced to sell. There are no additional dealer fees added to it, no setup fees, no dock fees, none of that hooey. Our prices are out the door. For information on how to put this beautiful 2016 Limited LOW in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.